Hello, I'm Joe, and on this video I'll be showing people how you can pay for your Nepa bill, now known as AEDC, EADC, any of them, using PAGA, and it's fast and very trustworthy. And which other word will I use? It's recommended. That's the same thing I know most of these major centers do without maybe most people knowing. So you can do that from the comfort of your home. So without taking much time, let's get started. All you have to do is to click on this login tab around here, this one. So we'll log in and let's get started. And this is it. Username, phone number, or email. So mine is I guess that should be my username, and good. And my password yeah, we'll just put in our password. I know you guys already know this exact tab, so let me do that just now. So from here we can see I've logged in, and they are giving me some things for for now I don't think I should be doing that, so I clicked outside, and that's what we should be doing. Like, if you don't want to look at that, just click outside, which is what I did. And now we'll go over to this tab here. So now you click on this link over here. There's send money. You can do a lot of things with PAGA. I'll make more videos on that later. You can deposit, buy airtime, pay bill, recurring payments, yes, and receive Western Union, and your wallet where you can pay into your PAGA. Those are other ways of paying into your PAGA account and using it to pay for other funds you want to pay using PAGA. And now the one we'll be using today will be pay bill or merchant. Sometimes you see merchant accounts, but this one is just merchant, so we'll be using this exact one. And let's get started. This one, and yes, so sorry for that, and that'll be it. And let's wait for it. Okay, and we'll be moving to the next step around here. And what we'll be doing here, you can see all forms of bill payments, be it DHL, 1960 bets, all of them are over here, but we are actually going for AEDC today, which is this one. You can also see EEDC, which is for Enugu State or Eastern Nigeria. Eastern Nigeria. This is for Abuja, I think so. And there are also many more around here, so let's just go to AEDC. If you are not from Abuja or anywhere in the north, which I know is for AEDC, you should choose EEDC, or you come up over here and search this area and search which one that your area is being known for. So now let's just quickly do this. So you can see under here, you still have the search merchant around there. So now we'll put our meter number over here, the amount, and this is already my name and my surname. So let's get started. Now my meter number should be it's already listed here, but for the sake of this video, let me join you guys. 815843. Enter amount. For the sake of this video, I wanted to recharge actually 15, but because I know that PAGA do charge 150 for their transactions, so I'll be using instead of 15, I'll be subscribing for 1,350 because I want to just get 15 exactly out of the account. So this is it, maximum purchase and the rest. Now this is the name of the account. Whenever your meter number loads, just ensure to look around this area, to this specific area over here, to like be sure that it's the account you want to register, like the name of the customer over here and your meter number. That should be very important, so you may not have made mistakes somewhere around here and you found someone else's account. So let's continue. I will click on continue. Now that we've done all that, the next step is to click on pay. Yeah, pay. We'll click on pay. Okay, they actually charge 105 naira, not 150, so that's my mistake. But anyway, it's still the same. Not really the same, but yeah, we're still within the same range. So let's see. Here they are recommending we pay with PAGA wallet, which is what we could have done earlier. Like, not like if you want to be using PAGA for most of your payments, you can pay into their wallet, then from their wallet you pay to any bill or any account being demonstrated over here. But for this one, we just want to use our ATM card directly without paying to any company's account first. So we'll click on this exact tab over here, and me mark it out, this exact area. That is what we are clicking, and we're clicking precisely on this very icon. Yes, so that will be it. Then we click on pay 1,350 plus 105 naira fee. Yes, we'll wait for it. Great, and we are here, which is the the real stuff. So now I want you to hold your ATM card. There's a 16-digit number at the front. Yeah, oh god, my writing is really bad, just forgive me. Yes, let me just write as hard as I can. Yeah, there's a 16 digits at the front. I'll re-edit this video so it will be very comprehensive. There's a 16-digit number at the front of your ATM card. That exact number is the one we're putting here, the very long one just at the front of your ATM card. So mine, I'm putting it now, and for the sake of my safety, I will hide my details for this video. Month and year. The month and year is just below the 16 digits. You will literally see it, and it do have valid through beside it, so it's usually having a comma. So mine is 0920. Then the CVC is usually the pin at the back of your ATM card. They are usually 3 digits, sorry. They are just at the back of your ATM card. If yours is more than 3, then just copy just those last digits at the back. Then mine is and my card pin, wow, this is the one that I punch into any ATM machine I'm using. This is the one only you and only you knows. So we'll put that one, and now click on pay, and let's wait for network. Good, and it has gone. Oh well, now I will receive a text message on my phone asking me to put in a pin that will send to my phone for security reasons, also to be sure I'm the one making the transaction, and this pin will only come to the number registered with the ATM card that you are using. So it's a very nice feature and we love it. Everybody likes it. So now you put that pin sent to your mobile number here, and mine is 1976909, and I click on confirm, and let's wait. It's moving, and they are processing my payment right now, so it won't take long. Great, and it's here, and yes, it went. I don't know if you saw it within that short period of time, and I just got an alert on my phone right now, and that same alert, maybe okay, I will also make a screenshot of it and send it to this video, and you'll see it on the screen. And this is it, and now I've made the payment. This is just the exact thing I will put on my meter. Sorry, yeah, on my meter. This is what I'll press, then I click on enter, and that exact amount will be subscribed to my Nepa machine that is outside my house, or like just hanging at the front there. So thanks for watching this video, and you can subscribe to my channel for more videos on many payments like this and other things you can easily do from home. Thanks for watching my video once more, and good day.